Hey boss, I found one of the machine you request, 966F, and I'm gonna make a quick video and show you how it looks.
966.
Yes, this is the engine and this is how it looks. But repair work still need to be done. You still need to repair it and change few things.
Like the filter?
Yes, the filter, oil
filter?
air filter, yeah, has to be changed, and probably the belt.
The belt.
Yeah, this belt, I think this one still look good, but
it needs to be changed.
yes. And this is how it looks. Let me show you the inside. Okay, this is the inside. Since you are familiar with this model, I'm going to show you how the inside looks. I don't want to sit on the chair because it's a little dust. This is the steering wheel. I don't know if it's clear. Later on, I'll see if they can start the engine so we can get a better sound of how it looks. Sorry, can.
Have AC?
Yeah.
Air conditioner.
Oh, this one have air conditioner. Okay, I don't know, but it means once you buy it, they will have to put the air conditioner. Can the mechanic start this one?
你是要试车吗？
我要那个发动机. Want to get the sound of the engine. So this one they still need to do some light touches on this one. You can see there's a little rust on it, but it's okay because the renovation still has to be done. You can see how it looks. Renovation still need to be done. Let me go a little bit further so that I can show you. So I can show you how it looks. This is the bucket. We had rain last Sunday. And that's the result. That's what we collected. You can see how it looks like. So you'll be the one to tell if you're satisfied with this one. But I want to get the sound of the engine first. The tires are new. Then the teeth. I'm going to confirm if they can change this teeth as well, because it looks old. And these are the original teeth. These teeth are the original ones from Cat company. See how it looks. I'm just showing you what is available, so you will have to compare it with what you have already, or with what you've been using before, since you're familiar with 966F. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay, tire. Check the other side of this engine.
For the chair looks a little bit old. Okay. 这些都可以。可以，对对对。
What's the age of this one? What's the age of this one? What year?
What year?
Yes.
Let me change.
Just check. Oh, the AC he talked of. This is the AC out here. This is the AC. Is it the AC or radiator? I'm not sure.
This is the 2013.
2013, okay. 2013. This one. Let's see how it looks like. Let's look under. See. There's no oil leakage. I'm showing you where the machine is standing so you can get a better look. There's no oil leakage. This one is still in good condition. Just need to do some light repair work. The most important thing is the engine. The engine. I like this bucket because it looks like it's the original, the old model cat bucket. This bucket looks good. Yeah, I came here with another guy. Hey, Mark.
Hi.
Yeah, I came here with another guy who also want to get some pictures for his claim.
Yeah, this guy's good.
This one's good. So this one is really good. So let's wait for the mechanic to come and
Kickstand.
the engine. So
He said they can change the chair.
yes, they can do that.
That's no issue.
Yes, the chair can be changed.
The interior can be can
Yes.
be changed.
Yeah.
That's no issue.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
The tires are good.
The tires are good. I think they are brand new.
The brand new tires.
Yes. I think the tires are new, yeah?
The tires are new.
Yeah.
Right.
Tires are still good. Yes.
然后他们很长时间没有工作了，
没有用啊。
我跟他说了的。
但是这个发动机一发就着，电还不足。如果说电很足的话，一下就来了。
Okay.
The machine is good.
Yes.
I think so.
Alright, I think you've got the sound of the engine and it sounds good. Some light touches need to be done. Light things need to be changed, like the oil filter and other little things that I would like them to change. So that's it. If you're interested, you let me know. And because the length of the video, I'm going to upload it on YouTube and at least send you the link. Others might watch it. If you're interested or have a question, can get back to me. If there's any question. Thank you so much and bye-bye.
市场澳网，只有我们就要中文。对对对，
我们卖了好多台。
直接贴光 photo。